My name is Peter Illingsworth. I'm the owner of the Lord's Chamber Barbers in Home Firth, and today I'm going to be talking about Captain Fawcett's sea salt spray. Sea salt spray is exactly what it says on the tin: sea salt and minerals. As a barber, we use it to create volume and lift. Also, this will create a nice textured matte finish. We use sea salt spray in many different lengths of hair, from mid-length to longer hair, thinning hair, which will create volume, also with the curly hair creating texture and the nice sharp choppy finish. Once we've blow dried the hair into shape, it has a slight hold which allows me as a barber to go back in with the scissors and alter the hair if it needs it, but without destroying the shape of the haircut. Sea salt spray is also great for dry hair. It will also revitalise your hair between washes. When applying sea salt spray to longer hair and mid-length hair, apply to damp hair, and then I will use my fingertips or a wide tooth comb to comb through. This will create a broken textured finish. Thicker hair, use less of it. Thinner hair, use more of it. Play around, personalise it to your styles. For extra volume, you can spray the sea salt directly into the roots. Use it sparingly, but remember, you can always add a little bit more. One of the many questions I get asked is what comb to use when using sea salt spray, and the same answer is it comes as standard. Your own fingers.